Good afternoon friends. In previous video we have learned about list in the HTML. In today's video we will learn about many basic elements of the HTML like superscript, subscript and marquee tag. For that we have to create our new project. We will give title as basic elements. Now create it. Remove it. And after that, here we will write as usual top type in the angular bracket, and then we will write HTML. Inside HTML we will give heading, head. Inside head we will give title, and we will give title as basic elements. Now after heading we will give body tag, and inside body we will write first of all h1, that means heading of the web page. So we will give heading as basic elements. What are the basic elements? So we will first of all learn about three basic elements, that means superscript, subscript and marquee. What is meant by superscript or subscript? So in mathematics, when we write any expression in the form of square, cube or any exponential form or logarithm form, then we want to write anything like in the base, in the power. For that we will use the superscript and subscript. If you don't understand, don't worry, I will teach you about it. So for example, I am writing paragraph key and I want to write x power 2 plus 3x power 3, then it should be as x square plus 3x cube, but it will be as it is we have write it. Here x2 plus 3x3, it is as it is as I write in the code. So but we want x square and 3x cube. So what we will use, if I write x here and after x I want to give power. Power means I want to give number at the top of the x. For that here we will write sup, soup. What is meant by soup? Soup is superscript. That means it will be go to the top. For example, if after x I have written soup and superscript we will give as 2. So it will be as x square. So you can see here it is x to the power 2. Similarly, if I want to add something, so I will write plus x and again I will use superscript sup, soup, and after that I will write cube, that means power 3. So it will be go to the top of the x and it will be become x cube. So it is x square plus x cube. Similarly, instead of second x I can give y and it will become like this, x square plus y cube. So any mathematical expression can be write by superscript and subscript. I will go to the subscript, but first stand what is superscript. So I hope you have understood. I will explain again it. First of all we will write x. I will take heading as the expression, so you will be able to see clearly it. So I will remove the paragraph. Instead of paragraph, I will give H2 heading. And our H2 heading will be any quadratic equation. If you don't know about quadratic equation, then don't worry, you should not learn all things of the maths. So I will first of all write here 2x and I want to give square. So I will write here SUP superscript, and after that inside superscript I will give as 2. So it will be power of the x. Then I will write plus and 3x, and I do not want power now. So 3x, after 3x I will write again plus any number 4 and equal to 0. So it will be the quadratic equation. So you can see here, run it. You can see here 2x squared plus 3x plus 4 equal to 0. That means these 2 go to the top because of superscript. And what is meant by subscript? For that I will give another heading H2. And here we will use subscript instead of superscript. For that I have to write here, like I will write log. Log is mathematical term, logarithm. So I will write here log, and I want to write it as log of the 10 base to 2. That means for number at the bottom of log we have to write sub. Sub means subscript, and inside subscript I will give it as 10. And after ending of subscript I will write here any number 5. So it will be written as log of 5 base to 10. So you can see here log of 5 base to 10. This 10 comes in bottom because we have used subscript. So if we want to we want any number at the top, then we will write superscript, and if we want number at the bottom, then we will write subscript. So I hope you have understood what is subscript and superscript. And similarly we can write another things, like if we want to write any name of any brand or company, so I can write it as, first of all we will give heading, and I will write here Shivay, any alphabets on the top. So what I will write? If I will write here TM, then it will come in the same line as Shivay. So I have to first of all write here SUP soup, and after soup in the superscript I will write here like TN, and after that I will write here welcome. So what it will be look like? It will look like this Shivay power TM welcome. So I hope you have understood about base and power. That means superscript and subscript and on the HTML. Now we will move towards the mercury.